You see, that is a matter. We have to make it survey. There is some guidelines. When one community, suppose some tribal communities, they are demanding like this to be included in the scheduled tribe. They are tribes. Their lifestyle is like a tribal, but they have not included. So many tribal have not included in the India. It doesn't mean that they will be included. There is some procedure. The proposal will go from the state government to the central government, and central government will examine. And if the criteria will be fulfilled, automatically they will be given that opportunity. So, still now, I have not got any such representation. If I will be given, automatically I will give the report. Otherwise, I will send a team to inquire the matter and examine the matter practically what is what, so that the matter can be solved.